Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. We are at a new camp spot that's about 2.5 hours away from our house, and we are going to be camping all this weekend.
So we actually got here last night, but it was just too dark to film. So we've already stayed in the tent one night and had a really great time. The weather here in Florida is like ideal for camping right now. It gets cold at night, but it's warm during the day. And Miles outdid himself finding this camp spot. We are right on the river, so we will show you that. But we are hungry and about to make some breakfast. So we are having oatmeal for breakfast, and then we also have some Canadian bacon that we're just gonna toss in a skillet as well. So yeah.
Fight the darkness till break of day. The heart and the past changes so fast like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies. So very young.
All right, guys, we just got done eating breakfast, and we are just going to be chilling, I guess, for the next couple hours. We're probably going to go for a walk later. We might load Izzy back up in the car, maybe ride around on some of the trails and just check out the area because this is our first time being here. Like I said earlier, we're about 2.5 hours away from our house near Carabel, Florida. So we're about an hour and a half away from Tallahassee, so we're just a little bit more east. We're right on the Crooked River. It's very, very beautiful, and yeah, turned out to be a really great camp spot. I wasn't really sure how it was going to turn out because there's not really like a ton of reviews on this place. We're at Tate's Hell State Forest, and there's not like a lot of reviews for dispersed camping, but there is a lot of sites here, so we're probably going to come back and check out some of the other ones and just see how it goes. But I find it hard to imagine this one B&B because it's just so pretty and it's right on the river, and it's a really big spot too, so that's nice. But yeah, so I'm about to join Caitlin. She is currently hammocking right by the river with Izzy, and it looks like it's pretty fun. So I'm about to go over there, chill out for a little bit, and then we will catch you guys up later.
So we have just been hanging out for the past few hours, but I think we are about to go for a walk and just check out the area, get some steps in, and yeah, so that's where we're headed now. So we have been walking a little over a mile, and so far we've ran into one official campsite, maybe two, it's hard to tell. But yeah, there's a lot of good places to camp here if you're interested or if you're nearby. Izzy got to venture into the river, which she enjoyed. So yeah, it's been good so far. The weather is really nice. And that's all.
Woody, you having a good time? Having a good time? Just got back from the walk. We went like 2.75 miles. It was really fun. I really enjoyed kind of getting to walk around the area. It's really pretty. We're for sure probably going to be back to check out some of the other sites. It got really hot. It's like really hot. We probably didn't need pants or a jacket, so we are just chilling out now, cooling down. Izzy is cooling down as well. So yeah, we're just gonna take it easy. I think we're going to try to do an early dinner. It's 2:30 right now. We didn't really eat lunch, so we might just snack for the next hour, and then maybe start cooking around 4 o'clock, so it's not too dark outside when we start filming. But yeah, it's been a great day so far. Oh, what's up? It is almost 5 o'clock. We've just been kind of taking it easy. We shot a thumbnail. There's actually some guys that were running dogs. They were actually hunting. They were just like a bunch of hunting dogs were just like running around here, like going crazy. That was pretty wild. But yeah, so we're going to make dinner now right before the sun goes down. We are actually having some homemade tomato soup that we prepped 2 days ago, and some grilled cheese. We've already had it one time and it was really good, so I'm really excited to kind of have it here at the campsite tonight. So let's get started. I'll take the burnt one this time. All right, guys, tomato soup, grilled cheese for dinner. It is served.
Woohoo!
Dinner with a view, guys. Dinner with a view. Kaylin's in charge of camp cleanup.
Yep.
Doing a great job.
It's a long-standing tradition. I do the dishes, Miles cooks.
More.
So we have been hanging out by the fire for a few hours. It is getting close to 10 p.m. and we just figured we would give you an update. We had s'mores again and they were really good. And yeah, we've just been hanging out, having some phone calls with family around the fire. And yeah, it's been a really good night. And Miles just put in the last of the wood. So once this burns out, we're headed to bed.
Good morning, guys. It is 9 o'clock and we are about to leave the campsite. Unfortunately, it's been a really fun weekend, but we have to get back into town. We still have some Christmas shopping to do and it's a little bit of a drive back into Freeport, about 2.5 hours. So yeah, we are about to leave, but it has been a really good time. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and make sure to tune into the next camping video. We have a lot of good content coming, so please keep watching. I appreciate it. See ya.